Market's still bullish. The degen plays continue. Welcome back to Bearman Crypto, where we talk all things crypto. So guys, as the market continues pumping like it is, this is always a good time to now start to look at short-term opportunities, ones where you can potentially trade some really good pumps. And today we'll be looking at one of those where I think there's a bit of potential for a short-term pump. And the coin that we'll be looking at today is specifically Phantom. So Phantom currently ranked number 40 on CoinGecko. So at the moment, at the time of this recording, it's up 11%. And to be fair, it has pumped already in the last 30 days. It's up over 197%, but I still think there's a bit more gas in the tank. And I'm going to show you a chart that I'm looking at specifically and how I've arrived at that decision. So just a reminder about Phantom itself. I did a video previously. So this is a huge protocol. It's got a lot of projects which are building on it. It's currently got over 200 dApps building on Phantom. They got their own wallet. There's various things. Andre Cronje is now back, and he is more bullish than ever, specifically around DeFi. So they actually did a specific, he actually tweeted recently just to say that obviously he's back, and he's going to be now doing a few more engagements actually. So specifically a tweet that he released a few days ago where he basically said that there will be no announcements, don't expect any hype, but he'll now actually be physically be seen about attending conferences. I think he's actually supposed to be speaking at a conference in Dubai. So this one, ETH Dubai, in March on the 15th and 16th. And now you can start to see it's just going to start generating hype around crypto again. Everyone is now seeming fairly bullish, and this is why I think it's a good time to look at these, potentially you could call them short-term opportunities to basically trade the pumps, but obviously don't FOMO in. Again, not financial advice, just make sure you do your own further research, but really what you need to be looking at is coins that, you know, do still have the opportunity to pump. And if you have a look at the charts, so here specifically what I've been looking at is Phantom on the daily time frame. So you can see here what I've got. This red line here is the 200-day moving average. You can see that here Phantom has now crossed above that 200-day moving average. If you had caught this absolutely sweet spot down here when everyone was seemingly bearish, so this is right at the start of the year, Phantom was sitting at 20 cents. So it's basically pulled a 3x from the start of January, which is absolutely insane. So currently now we're sitting at 62 cents. I'm only now starting to jump into this. Unfortunately, I didn't catch it right at the bottom here because everyone was still, obviously, I myself was still fairly bearish about jumping into random altcoins. But I think now there's a bit of momentum in the overall market. This could be a good opportunity to start to look for some short-term trades. So now you can see here we've now crossed above the 200-day moving average, and you can see here we're absolutely pumping with absolutely no resistance. So the levels specifically, what I am looking at is so the first level of resistance is round about this 85 cent mark. So when we pump up to this 85 cent range, this is going to be from here, it's probably about a, what's that? That's probably about a 20, that's probably about a 30% gain. But really where I'm targeting, where there's going to be a bit more resistance, really is probably going to be just above this dollar region. So between $1 and $1.10. This is really where I'm looking to basically sell my tokens and then look for the next pump. Obviously this is going to be a short-term play, so if this is the type of thing that you're into, this could be a great opportunity. There doesn't seem to be a lot of resistance going into this. and my strategy is to sell some of my tokens and then obviously hold my moon bag for when we're fully into the bull market. But this is just a quick video I wanted to do for you, just to show you what potential opportunity there is on Phantom. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at $1 fairly soon based on what I'm seeing on the charts. Let me know what you think about this video. If you enjoy this type of content, if you like more charting, this is the type of thing that I'm going to be focusing on while the market is seemingly so bullish. But let me know what you think down in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video.